Hola clase, welcome to Module 2. I hope that you are feeling good after Module 1, and I just wanted to go over how we'll progress through this module. We will be doing numbers and the alphabet. Here you have the pronunciation guide to the alphabet that is in the book, and also a video that you can click on and utilize and see what Mr. Jordan has to say about the alphabet. We're going to be talking more about el verbo ser this module, and also be talking about the numbers. So, as with last module, there are videos embedded throughout the chapter, and then you need to access the video that I posted of instruction so that you can check your understanding with me and get prepared for the exam that will happen in Module 2. The exam in this module will go over everything from Module 1 and Module 2. So if you have any questions, don't hesitate to email me or check in. I look forward to hearing from you, and good luck in Module 2.